Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your language on Hui by TikTok application. So first of all, you need to tap here right bottom corner on your screen. It's called a star icon, and then tap again right of corner on your screen. It's a profile icon, and then you can tap here the settings right of corner on your screen and scroll down. Then here you'll see the option language. Simply tap here, then you will get here all the language. It's the most used language, so you can choose according to your language learning. So if you choose Dutch, Spain, anything, and I just keep it English and then save it. That's it. This way you can change the language. Okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.